Hi, hello. I don't need much from you, only 3 days of your time. If you are facing any problem in your health, relationship, career, or financial life, over these 3 days, I can help you create a powerful positive shift in these areas of your life. So, what are you waiting for? The link is given below. Go ahead, join now, and reserve your seat for free bootcamp. During these 3 days, I will introduce you to what Ho'oponopono is, Ho'oponopono chanting and practice, what EFT therapy is, the power of gratitude, and how we can use water to heal ourselves. Ever since healing became a part of my life, I have experienced incredible changes myself. And I have also had opportunity to help many people through healing and support them changing their life. Go through the page, read everything, and see the transformation people have experienced. If you are struggling with anything in your life, your health, relationship, career, money, business, sleep, habits, maybe you are struggling with past traumas, maybe you are feeling stuck and don't know what to do, this program could be the beginning of a change for you. It's a 3 days program and it's absolutely free. There is no charge at all. And if you feel that someone you know could benefit from this experience too, share this video with them. You can directly share the link as well so they can also experience the program. I am your friend, coach, here to help you create a positive change in your life. Join us. Don't wait. Reserve your seat now.